is really a go-to. Like, I love this wig. I think I'm gonna just put it on, and she really plucked this wig to perfection. Like, it's so natural. Come on now, come on with it. It's giving, it's everything. I love this wig. I don't want to take it off. This lace melted right into my skin. My baby hairs came out so good. It just looks so natural. The hair is like really full. Curly hair. It's the curly hair for the win though. I love it. What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you guys a little different. I lost a video with me installing this wig, so I'm going to show you guys how to properly remove your wig and reinstall it. First, I like to start by spraying my entire hairline with wig shine and massage it with my fingers to loosen the glue. After the glue is loose enough, I take a rag with alcohol and I just rub my hairline until the lace starts to lift. After I remove the wig, I go straight into cleaning the lace with the washcloth and alcohol. After the lace is clean, I take a detangle brush and start from the ends to brush out the hair. Wig is fully detangled. I'm gonna head to the shampoo bowl to start shampooing the wig. I use a lot of product on my curly hair, so I'm gonna use a clarifying shampoo to shampoo the hair to get all of the old product out, and I'm gonna use a moisturizing conditioner to bring the moisture back for the curls. To remove the cap, I'm going to use more wig shine to loosen up that as well, and then I'm going to go in with a washcloth and alcohol again to get that old cap off. I'm going to use my Got To Be glue spray and my edge brush to sleek all of my natural hair back before I start the cap method. Oiling my scalp is a must. Oiling my client's scalp is a must, so I never skip this step. Gonna go straight into the cap method. I'm gonna pull this down as tight as possible, cut my ears out, and try to lift it up a little bit so I can see exactly what I'm doing. I'm gonna go straight into outlining my hairline with the adhesive that I've been using, and then I'm gonna spray the back of the cap with Got to Be glue spray and allow that to dry. After the cap is fully dry, I'm just gonna remove all of the excess cap using some scissors. I like to use Ruby Kisses Level 15, the darker shade, to match my skin tone with my cap. This is a wig reinstall. It's already cut and everything, so I just have to position the wig exactly where it was before I took it off and start laying the lace. I'm going to be doing 3 layers of adhesive, and I'm going to use my fingers to smooth them out. I'm applying the layers directly on top of each other without letting it dry clear before applying the next. It's optional, but I like to blow dry the glue just so it'll dry a little faster. After the glue is completely dry on both sides, I can go ahead and lay that lace directly where it was positioned before I pulled it back. After the glue is dry, you can use a rat tail comb to go back and lay down the lace that didn't get laid down the first time using a rat tail comb, and just put you some glue on the back of your hand. This is a really simple step. Section off your baby hairs. I'm going for a natural look, and I'm just gonna do 2 baby hairs on each side with my sideburns on each side. I find that that's the best curly hair. Well, I'm just gonna say that's the best baby hair method for the curly hair flip over for me that I like for myself. After I part off the baby hairs, I'm going to use my wax stick and hot comb to set the hair back before I tie the lace down. For the extra melt, I'm going to spray my lace all the way across on both sides with the Fantasia Spritz and tie it down with my Marcella Simone band for the extra melt. Now I'm going to go back in with my hot comb again just to form my hair. I want to do the flip over method. I don't want to have a part, so I'm just going to be forming my hair with the hot comb to lay it in place. While the band is still on, I'm going to go ahead and bring the curls back, because it's best to do it with the band on anyway, because you know you're working with a lot of wet things and your lace doesn't need that contact right now because it's still fresh. After I remove the band, I'm going to go straight into combing out my edges and my baby hairs just because they may be a little hard from the spritz. Now that it's time to style the baby hairs, I'm just going to start by cutting them long enough where I can curl them. Using the brand Red mini flat irons to curl these baby hairs. I'm just gonna be curling them under. After I curl the baby hairs, I'm gonna take my small brush and style them. I do use Got To Be glue spray too as I style them, but I don't want them super hard, so I don't use a lot. After I have the baby hairs in place, I do a light spray of the Got To Be glue over them just to hold them down for at least a couple of days. This is it. It's so perfect. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please be sure to follow my Instagram. That's at Yolissa Hair. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment and share your thoughts. Let me know what you think. If you like this style on me, should we try color next or should we put highlights in it? This is really a go-to. Like, I love this. Come on with it. It's giving. It's everything. I love this wig. I don't want to take it off. I'm gonna be doing more hair videos, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, click that like button, leave a comment for your thoughts, and share this video with a friend.